The world generates 2.5 quintillion bytes of data every day. Organized and analyzed correctly, this information has the power to create a better future for all. Big data can accurately detect earthquakes, floods, and famines. And open data has the potential to improve access to education, healthcare, and financial services.
Why do we need data? I think there are two main reasons. The first is to discover something unexpected, which means data patterns and data correlations. The second is to respond to something expected, recognize some conditions that might lead to a problem.
From our shopping preferences to the places we go to, and even our driving style, our data shares information about how we live our lives.
Think about the applications that we use daily from our phones, for example. Well, most of them are actually data brokering platforms. So they are platforms that share, in fact actually sell, our data with third parties. We have no idea about what these third parties are, what and who. So every time we sign a privacy agreement, we lose control over our own data.
Awareness about personal data sharing have caused many countries to deploy tighter laws to protect data privacy. Still, data is 21st century oil, and stopping wholesale risks, hindering economic growth.
We need to help the consumer to understand who uses our data for what and why. In this way, we can monetize the value of data and protect the privacy and the development, the business of data, really.
With EcoSteer, the relationship between the data owner and data consumer, typically an enterprise, is mediated by smart contracts on the blockchain.
Well, EcoSteer is a startup in the IoT and blockchain space, and our software converts things into data streams that can be shared and monetized by their owners in full compliance with data privacy laws. We think that the digitalization of the physical world has the potential to improve the quality of everybody's life. What we do not want is losing control over the data that we generate and provide to our communities.
EcoSteer solution gives citizens control over their data as it crosses any data distribution platform. Through its data ownership platform, citizens have visibility over any third party that accesses their data.
EcoSteer has developed a solution that allows data owners to share, monetize, and control their data over any data distribution platform. So that means that data owners will be able to grant access to their data stream and to revoke access, from data users to their own data stream across any data distribution platform.
With the ability to grant and revoke data access at any time, the data ownership platform becomes a completely retrofit solution that can work with any existing sensor, meter, car telematics, or smartphone, as well as with any data distribution platform.
EcoSteer data ownership platform will change traditional business models that link only one single data source to a single application and a stakeholder. And by doing so, it multiplies the value of data and creates new business opportunities for many companies. Currently, the driving data creates value only for the risk calculations for the insurance company. But in the future, if the car owner gives her permission, the insurance company can share or even sell the driving data stream to multiple stakeholders. For example, traffic management or car maintenance applications, thus multiplying its value.
The smart contract establishes the value of data in tokens per hour, for example, and sets the conditions under which data can be used. Citizens are rewarded in two ways, if you will. The first is clearly a monetary reward. And the second is the fact that they maintain control over their data sharing in an environment, the blockchain, that does not require them to trust any centralized transaction guarantor.
Technologies like this are helping to create smart cities where personal, corporate, and public assets could become a generator of data flows that can be shared and monetized easily and securely without intermediaries and in compliance with privacy regulations.
In general, a data stream marketplace is a broker-based platform that allows data owners to publish their data streams and data users to subscribe to selected data streams. EcoSteer data ownership platform adds a layer of data sharing governance and tokenization to any data stream marketplace. So for the city of Bolzano, we are creating a smart city data stream marketplace where all citizens, companies and institutions will be able to share, tokenize and control data generated by their assets. And smart contracts will establish the value of these data streams in tokens. And within the marketplace, tokens will be a mean to exchange data with services. So say, for example, 1 day of my driving data will be worth 100 tokens, and with 1,000 tokens, I'll be able to buy a 10% discount on a 6 months insurance or a 20% discount on my next change of tires.
For more information, visit EcoSteer.com.